Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side. Shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child.
You just want to yell at Mama? Is that very nice?
Mama.
Oh. Okay. Are you painting? Are you painting? Let me see. Good job. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, and on Tuesdays usually Remy's at her grandparents' house, but we got invited to go to a pool this afternoon, so I decided to keep her home, and we're gonna go do that. It's been so hot here, so I thought a pool day would be really fun. So yeah, just fed her breakfast, and now I'm slowly getting ready. I did my makeup earlier, and now I'm gonna try to do my hair. So luckily, a lovevery box got delivered a couple days ago, so I'm gonna open that up with her, and hopefully, because she'll have a couple new toys to play with, Mom can get her hair done. But that's our plan for today. We're gonna hang out this morning, and then we're gonna go to a little pool, and yeah, it'll be a really good day. I don't know what it is about this filming. I don't even think she understands what I'm doing, or I don't know. It's just the weirdest thing. She'll be super quiet and like content and like doing something, and I'll start filming, and then she just starts yelling at me. It's like she doesn't want me to film.
Which is so hard. It's so hard, especially when a bit of that mindset, I think, buying this particular property, and I was in big.
Here's everything that we just opened up. She's having so much fun right now. This is probably her favorite thing. She's obsessed with bugs right now, and it's just little patches, and then she can put them in this little container that looks like a little tree. It's so cute. This is just another fun, like, I don't know, little game that she can play with. Super cute puzzle. I love this. It's kind of like making a necklace essentially with little beads. Super cute. And then she thought this thing was really cool. It's a little wooden racetrack. I seriously think that sometimes I am more excited to open up these boxes than she is, even just because I love looking at the new cute toys that she got. They are the most beautiful toys, you guys. They're all designed by professionals to really gear to her developmental like milestones, and I just know that they're the best toys for her to be playing with. I personally love looking through these little books that they give you. So they touch on every toy that's in the box, but they also walk you through different activities that you can do at home. And I was just saying that she's now kind of into doing, you know, little activities with me, which I love to do, and these books are so helpful with that, because sometimes I'm like, I don't know what to do. It's like raining out, we're stuck inside. I'm like, I don't really know what we can do. But these books are always super helpful, and they don't always just talk about the toys and little activities. They also just talk about like everyday like milestones that your child should be reaching and all of that. So they're just like super informational. Anyways, I'm gonna let her play with this, and I have a code for free shipping if you guys want to try one out. You can just try out one box. You don't have to start at the very beginning. If your child's already 6 months and you've never tried a box, you can just jump right into that box and just try it out. I feel like you guys will love it so much. We do, and I am so grateful to be working with them. So I'll leave my link in the description box below and check them out. Okay, opening up a package from Amazon. I thought I'd show you guys everything that I got. It's nothing too crazy, but I picked up this laundress kind of like fabric softener. I'm trying to find the best one to make our laundry smell amazing. The last one I had was called Diva, and it literally smelled amazing. But now I'm gonna try this one, and once I try a couple, I will do a little review and tell you guys which one smells the best. But yeah, we have this brand for Remy's baby clothes when she was a newborn, and it literally smelled like a dream. I washed our bedding in it. I bought the room spray. It smells so good. So I wanted to try this. Then I bought some new white chairs, so I immediately went on Amazon and bought some stain guard spray, and it's just to protect my fabric. This one had really good reviews, so I'm gonna give this one a try, and you will probably put it to the test, won't you? Okay, and then I bought a couple of these kind of like utensil organizers for your drawers. I just right now have ones that we've had, I think, since college. They're like plastic ones, and they're really shit, to be honest. So I bought really nice wood ones. She's so tired. I bought some really nice wood ones, so I'm excited to try those out. But that was my Amazon haul, and now I'm gonna quickly throw together a little like kids charcuterie board to bring to the pool. It was kind of all last minute, so I was like, what can I make like really quickly with most of the things that I have at my house? So we're gonna throw together a little kids charcuterie board, and I'll show you guys what I put on it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this round platter. I got it from Madewell a long time ago, but this is the brand of it. Super cute. So I'm gonna use this, and then I'm basically gonna just fill it with a bunch of snacks. So I'm gonna put some of this like pirate's booty on there, both of these kind of crackers, so kind of like a Cheez-It, and then some bunny grams. These are some of Remy's faves. These little things are also her favorites. I usually buy, they almost look like a Cheeto Puff, but I found these ones that are in the shape of a sun, so I thought that was really cute. There's gonna be some older kids, I think. I'm not really even sure who's all gonna be there, but I got some little like gummy fish that are good. And then I think I'm just gonna throw on some like little bars, some more like cookie type things that I just like had at my house. So I'm gonna throw this together and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, here is the final board. I think it turned out really cute, and it literally took me like 2 minutes to throw all of this together. I just think it's kind of a fun way to bring a bunch of different snacks to a party. Obviously, you can make this a lot healthier than I did, but I just thought this would be really cute, and I feel like all the kids will have like a lot of fun eating off it. So I'm gonna wrap this up and we're gonna head out. Okay, it is much later now, and we fed Remy when we got home, and now David is putting her to sleep, so I'm getting a little jump start on dinner. We're gonna do veggie and steak kebabs on the grill, and then I'm going to try to recreate this cauliflower dish that we had at an Italian restaurant this past weekend. I've had it before and I loved it, and I tried to recreate it at home a different time and it just was not the same. It was good, but I was like, I'm missing something. There's something wrong with this. Like, why can't I make it even similar to what they do? Because it's just so good. So I got a head of cauliflower, and then the main ingredient is Calabrian chilies. We use these ones from Trader Joe's in our like homemade vodka sauces and pasta dishes, whatever. They're so good. They're really spicy. So I'm gonna use these, blend them with olive oil and lemon, and then you toss your roasted cauliflower in that, and it's just so good. I'm hoping that this recipe will get me a little closer than the last ones I've used, because I haven't been able to make it very good. So we're gonna try this together. But first I'm gonna make the little kebabs so that David can go grill them. I'm gonna assemble my skewers, and for our veggies, I'm going to use some portobello mushrooms. I have to wash them still. And then I'm gonna cut up some zucchini. I actually never put this on my kebabs, but I really like zucchini and I wanted to put something green on it. So we're putting zucchini, a white onion, some cherry tomatoes. Grilled cherry tomatoes are so good. And then this might be a little unexpected, some really big olives. They're literally so amazing when they're warmed and grilled up. They just like are my favorite part of a skewer or a kebab. All right, I think I have the sauce where I kind of want it. As you saw, I used my food processor and then my blender also because it just wasn't getting as smooth as the restaurant's sauce was, but I'm not about to dirty a third gadget to make a cauliflower dish because that seems insane. So we're gonna hope for the best with this. David said it tastes good. I haven't tasted it yet. Waiting for my cauliflower to bake, so we will see. Okay, we're gonna taste test the cauliflower. It definitely doesn't look like the restaurant, which I'm a little disappointed.
But
it definitely
it
needs
does
more.
look better than we've made it before, like closer.
Yeah, it does. I just need to like get more sauce next time, but let's try it. We'll see how it goes.
There is some extra sauce at the bottom, so that's good.
Yeah. Okay. Cheers.
That's really good. It tastes surprisingly similar,
It really does.
but definitely needs more sauce. Theirs is like swimming in it.
Yeah, which is the best part because then you can kind of like dip it in. But
Try another one.
overall, for a cauliflower dish, this is bomb.
I'll eat a bunch of it.
Yeah.